Hi, Michelle Castle, Guild Mortgage in Sherman, Texas. I want to talk to you about thinking outside the box. How can you use a TCA to win a relationship for a listing in your neighborhood? So let's just talk through this scenario. You're driving home from work today, and a house 3 doors down, you noticed a for sale sign. It's with a realtor you have never met before. So you notice that for sale sign and you wonder what in the heck's going on. You'd like to have a little conversation with the neighbor, but right now that's not what's really on your mind. Really, how can you make sure that you end up with a great new neighbor? So you decide to go ahead and send a text message to the realtor who you would like to meet that you've never met before and introduce yourself. And that text can be just as simple as, "Hi, Lisa, congratulations on a great listing on Middlefield. I love the neighborhood so much that I live 3 doors down. I would love to help you find a great buyer for my neighborhood. I have an idea. Can we schedule a Zoom call at 9 o'clock? Or is 2 better for you tomorrow?" So that's kind of a long text message, but I bet you'll hear back from them. You do your Zoom call the next day. But before that, you do a little homework. You look up the listing, look up all the information about the realtor, make sure you know who you're talking to, what kind of business they do, and any other listings that they might have. Check them out on social and see what they're into so that you can have a great conversation and be prepared. You go into Mortgage Coach and you provide yourself a TCA, total cost analysis, on that particular listing, your new neighbor's home. You record, after you put your TCA together for that listing, go ahead and record an explanation of the figures that you just provided. Make sure that the listener knows you live just a couple doors down and how much you love that neighborhood. It's a great opportunity to edify the agent who has listed that property, because who doesn't like someone talking great about them and selling their services? So you go ahead and put that TCA together. You record a great little video to go with the TCA that explains those figures. So you're all ready for your Zoom call. You have a Zoom call with this agent that you've never met before. You're going to show them how you're going to help them sell your neighbor's home, the home in the neighborhood that you live in. So you meet the agent by Zoom. You show her the TCA. You explain why and how you put those figures together and how you think that she could utilize that TCA to help any potential buyers. And it might be a great opportunity for you to ask her if there's anywhere she could save that link on any of the promotions that she has for that particular listing. Just might open the door for you to do that for all of her listings. And then everybody in her office is going to be super jealous of what you have put together on that listing and want you to do the same on theirs. So think outside of the box. How can you use a total cost analysis, not just one-on-one with the client you're talking to, but how can you use a total cost analysis to show that you are a modern day loan officer? You know and understand the business, you're building value, and you're giving more than just a paper estimate or a paper flyer for someone to print and put on the kitchen cabinet or the kitchen bar while they are looking to sell at home. So think outside of the box. How can you use that TCA to really build your business as a modern loan officer? Have a great day.